In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a task manager in Notion. If you're looking to organize your tasks easily and efficiently, Notion offers an amazing tool that allows you to customize your workspace just the way you need it. By the end of this session, you'll have a functional task manager that can help streamline your tasks and increase your productivity. Let's dive in. First, open Notion. If you're unfamiliar with it, Notion is a versatile tool designed for note-taking, task management, project planning, and more. It's accessible via your web browser, or you can use their desktop or mobile apps for even easier access. Once you have Notion open, let's go ahead and create a new page. You can do this by clicking on the New Page button there on the left sidebar. Think of this page as your new workspace where all your tasks will live. Naming it Task Manager could be a simple yet effective way to identify your workspace. Now that we have our page, we'll set up the structure for your tasks. Begin by clicking the plus icon, which will give you a few layout options. Choose a table view, as this will provide a great starting point for organizing tasks with different attributes. Once you have the table ready, let's define some core columns. Typically, you'll want columns such as task name, description, due date, and status. These will form the heart of your task database, helping you know at a glance what needs to be done and when. Next, it's very important to personalize the view of your task list according to how you like to work. Notion allows you to create different views for better organization. Whether it's by status, due date, or priority, the choice is yours. Simply click on the Add a View option and customize the layout to match your workflow preferences. Additionally, incorporate a calendar view. Having this visual layout will be handy to monitor due dates and deadlines, giving you better control over your schedule. To manually add a task, click on the New button at the top of your table. Enter the necessary details, such as the task name, any specific deadlines, and assign a status. This interactive method ensures you won't miss any key steps. Finally, to further enhance your task manager experience, consider using colors to signify different priorities or types of tasks. You can do this by clicking on Settings and then selecting Conditional Color. Not only does it make your task manager visually appealing, but it also quickly draws your attention to high priority items. And there you have it. This simple yet highly flexible system should serve you well in managing all your daily tasks efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing.